our fathers tell us the story about Luluwais and Tultuls, and their boss was the KIAP. That KIAP name, I want to expose this KIAP name. It's an abbreviation. It's not a noun. It's an abbreviation, and it stands for something. Okay, like KIAP, KIAP, KIAP. That KIAP word stands for keep indigenous always primitive. So you see, Papua New Guinea, after almost 5 decades of independence, you mean even inventing one black car or one black mobile phone or whatever, because you mean even creating one black missile or this higher technology, man. All hiding you me. That's why now for now, like, because of the internet, we are beginning to advancing, and we came to realize, like now I realize this